finite, infinite, natural numbers, and the integers. A finite set is a set with a limited or fixed number of elements. We also use an ellipsis for infinite sets, which have an unlimited number of elements to indicate that the pattern continues. The set of natural numbers is the set of all positive counting numbers represented as this double struck n equals brace 1, 2, 3, end brace. The set of integers, it's given with a z, is another infinite set of numbers. It includes all the positive and negative counting numbers and the number 0. There is no largest or smallest integer. So we have z equals brace ... because we're talking continues to the left, or in decreasing, comma, -2, comma, -1, comma, 0, comma, 1, comma, 2, comma, ... brace. Example, infinite sets. Write the set of integers using the roster method and label it with a z. So we will write z equals brace. Now, because we're listing this in the roster method and it continues decreasing, we will begin with an ellipsis, comma, -3, comma, -2, comma, -1, comma, 0, comma, 1, comma, 2, comma, 3. And at this point, or whenever we decide to stop, we realize it's going to continue. So then we say comma, ... an ellipsis, and end our brace. Part 2 here, write the set of prime numbers using the roster method and label it P. Set of prime numbers using the roster method. So we'll start with P equals brace. Now the first prime number is 2. All right, 3 is also a prime number. Remember, these are numbers that are greater than 1 and only have 2 divisors, 1 and themselves. So 4 is not prime, so I'm not going to include that here because it's divisible by 2. However, 5 is, 6 is not prime, but 7 is, comma. See, 8 is not prime because it's divisible by 2. 9 is divisible by 3. 10 is divisible by 2, so that one's not included. How about 11? And at this point, this list continues forever, so I will use an ellipsis and an ending brace to indicate that. So P equals the set 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, continue going to your heart's content. Now, when we have infinite sets like this, it's inconvenient to write every element because you can't write every element. And so there is another way we can list out things other than the roster method that could be useful. So next we have set builder notation. A shorthand way to write sets is with use of set builder notation, which is a verbal description or a formula for the set. For example, the set of all lowercase letters of the English alphabet written in set builder notation is A equals brace X, vertical bar that we read as such that. X is a lowercase letter of the English alphabet. This is read as set A is the set of all elements X, such that X is a lowercase letter of the English alphabet. So here it is in set builder. Let's go ahead and write it in roster method. So A equals brace. We're going to list all of the elements that are a lowercase letter of the English alphabet. So A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D, comma, E, comma, F, comma, G, comma, H, comma, I, comma, J, comma, K, comma, L, comma, M, N, O, P, Q, next line, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, end brace.